Hey guys, what's going on? Just here to tell you a little bit about some Under Armour batting gloves. Under Armour is a really pretty popular company, sold in a lot of sporting goods stores and online and stuff. They have products that keep you warm while you're playing sports and working out at the gym, or just any kind of outdoor gear for the cold or warm weather. I have several sweatshirts by Under Armour that keep me nice and warm. So my husband purchased these batting gloves. My husband purchased them to play baseball with. These are Under Armour clean-up batting gloves in size large. These are heat gear, so they keep your hands nice and warm for playing baseball in the winter and the cold weather. So Under Armour says, universal guarantee of performance, protect this house. Heat gear keeps you cool. Keeps you cool too in the summertime. So for the back of the hand, UA heat gear fabric with 4-way stretch for a cool, comfortable feel. Perforated synthetic overlays add support and durability. For the palm, leather palm provided superior durability and soft touch for added grip. Finger perforations for added breathability, and internal locker tag for customization. Okay. The website is ua.com, which stands for Under Armour. Copyright 2017 by Under Armour Incorporated in Baltimore, Maryland. All rights reserved. It's the RN number and the barcode. So my husband said that at the store he couldn't find an extra large. He's usually an extra large, so we got a large, and he said that they still have a little bit of room for stretching and stuff like that. So they're true to size and maybe a little bit bigger even. Easy to put on. They have this Velcro. I need 2 hands to pull this off, but they have this Velcro, which you open it up, and this opens the glove up, so you could just slip your hand right in. So obviously this is large on me, so I have small hands, but you guys could see that it's tight fitting and super comfortable. I don't know how to explain what they feel like inside. It just feels like a soft fabric, but I know they do have leather. And then of course you could Velcro these to make them tighter, and you can kind of make them as tight or as loose as you want by adjusting the Velcro strap. And then these holes here have breathability in them and a non-slip grip. Really comfortable, and they definitely stay on because I need 2 hands to take them off without a struggle. So these are super durable. Perfect if you guys play softball or baseball. Batting gloves for indoor and outdoor weather, because it's good to wear gloves no matter what the climate is. And these will definitely last a long time, so it's definitely worth it, and the price isn't bad either. So these are pretty standard, and they have a really good grip on them, and they fit true to size plus a little extra room. So these are Under Armour UA clean-up batting gloves. They come in all different sizes, small to extra large. And you could find these online really easily. Super durable, soft, comfortable. So thank you for watching the video. I hope you guys found it useful. Have a great night.